Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can redeem code on your PlayStation 5. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now on the PlayStation 5 and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here, as you can see guys, you're gonna find a list of your games and applications. And if you go here to the right, you're gonna find your game library. So right here, you're gonna find the list that includes all of your games and applications. So right now, if you want to redeem a code, just go here to the left. Right here, you're gonna find PlayStation Plus and also PlayStation Store. Go ahead and click on PlayStation Store. And then once you do that, right here, you're gonna find a list of games. So from here, you can buy any game that you want. And here, as you can see guys, in the top, you're gonna find the sections. Here you're gonna find recent releases, collections. Right here, you're gonna find subscriptions, sales, and so on. And here in the right, as you can see, guys, you're gonna find the search option, your wish list, your cart, and here you're gonna find some more options. So just go ahead and click on them. And then here you're gonna find payment methods, redeem code, subscription, transaction history, and also payment settings. So right now, go ahead and click on redeem code. And then once you do that, you're gonna be right here. So once you're here, just go ahead and click on X on your controller. And then go ahead and type your code. Make sure your code is correct. And then once you finish, go ahead and click on done or click on R2 on your controller. Then if your code is working, just go ahead and click on use or redeem, and then you're going to be able to use your code. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.